Alright guys, check this out. I'm still at my conference in Tucson, and check this out. This was at the local store. This is Bissingers Gummy Pandas, Blackberry and Hibiscus, gluten-free, no high fructose corn syrup. Check that out. Non-dairy, that's what's inside. So it's made of tapioca. Alright, so I'm going to do a quick taste test. Let's open this up. Okay, so I opened it up, and it has a really strong blackberry taste to it. And there's the gummy. Actually tastes really good. Nice aroma. It's not overly sweet, but it's not really chewy either. So when you bite into it, it has a slight give to it, but it sort of melts in your mouth after that. Alright guys, if you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.